Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Ford F-150 Tremor. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, as well as a Bang & Olufsen sound system, panoramic sunroof, skid plates, and so much more. Come check it out. We're moving on to the interior. We're going to have this black and yellow interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with a Bang & Olufsen sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory. Fancy handle. You're going to have the yellow stitch. We're also going to have these off-road forward running boards. And onto the seats, the black and yellow heated and ventilated powered adjustable seats. Tremor stitch, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents, and as well as your power mirrors, your lighting controls, as well as your liftgate and power adjustable pedals. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and voice recognition. And the right side will be your odometer cluster control and your skip with media. Now it's an all digital speedometer here, and you can access pretty much anything you need from your trip and fuel information, your truck info, as well as your towing, from navigation, phone connectivity, and all the other settings you need as well. It's going to be push to start down here. You're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your drive mode selector and onto the infotainment. So you're going to have this huge infotainment screen. You got built-in navigation as well. You also have downloadable apps with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And other features included with zone lighting, driver assistance, trail turn assist. It's going to work with your diff and all the other information you need. On the bottom here, you're going to have your dual zone climate control, heated steering wheel, and then on the bottom, 2 USB ports with a wireless charger pad with lots of extra storage. The cool thing for this new center console, people know, you hit that down. The center console can flip as a workstation or something for eating. Just flip it back up, and then inside you're gonna have a lot more storage. Still 2 more USB ports on the bottom there. Passenger side, same finish. You're gonna have that yellow stitching, speakers in the headrest with that Bang & Olufsen stitch, speakers right above as well, all the way across. You can also access the glove box and the top one right here. Speakers up top as well. And then here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and all your auxiliary power, and your panoramic sunroof. You're going to have these 18-inch aluminum wheels on general grabber all-terrain tires. You're going to have the hood vents up top, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle as well. You got more of the Tremor badging. Paint match bumper with the dual exhaust and tow hooks. Sounds pretty good. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. You also got the tonneau cover with AC wall port, as well as bed tie downs, LED lamps. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling, storage next to the speakers, power window, more of the cup holder right there. Up. Lots of legroom with the Super Crew. Storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, rear heated seating, as well as 12 volts with 2 USB ports and an AC wall port as well. You can also have cup holder and armrest, a power rear sliding window, foldable seats for more storage. You have lamps and handles on the side, and right above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2022 Ford F-150 Tremor. It comes equipped with that 3.5 liter V6, as well as leather heated and cooled seating, general grabber all-terrain tires, Bang & Olufsen sound system, driver assistance, tonneau cover, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.